These are 3 F2L tricks you should know. For the first one, we need to solve this F2L pair to the back right slot. We do U, and then start with the sledge, R prime, F, R, F prime. Insert this 3 mover at the back, R prime, U prime, R. For the next one, it's the same case, but this time it's located on the front left position and needs to be inserted same with the back right position. We start with the U2, hold the cube like this, and then we'll start with an R2 prime, wide U prime, R2, U, R2 prime. An alternate execution can be done like this. Start with the U2, and then do R2, D prime, F2, D, R2. And lastly, we have this case over here with the same F2L case, but this time it needs to be inserted on the front left position. We do U, R prime, F, R2, U prime, R prime, U2, F prime. Subscribe and follow for more cubing tips because